Hey everybody, over Speed Shop. So one of the things I find kind of ridiculous, and I know they've improved it over the years, but in 1998, when building vehicles, this is what made a truck engine run in 1998. Look at this thing. So, this whole wire harness is only the engine side of the wire harness. And it goes back to the transmission, but look at that thing. That thing's probably it's at least 20 feet long. That's crazy. You know, it has the transmission and everything in it too, but so from the computer, fuse block, all the way down, there's fuel injection, because it's a spider style fuel injection, the Vortec motor, all the way down through. That's the engine harness for a 1998 Chevy. Just thought I'd share. Thanks for watching.